Yes, class. After charts, next topic is Sparkline. Sparkline, what is Sparkline? Sparkline is basically uh, miniature charts, or you can say mini charts, which you can insert after a complete row or a complete column for the comparison of data. For example, I'm creating the data of ice cream. I'm taking the data of 3 different months. I'm taking the sales of the ice cream for the months. Okay, now suppose I have to create the miniature chart, or you can say sparklines for this data. So what I'll do, I'll select the data, then go to insert tab. There is an option, there is a group of sparklines. You can choose which type of sparkline you want. Suppose I want to create a sparkline of column. I'll choose that. Data range is already selected. Location means where you want to create sparkline. Sparkline is a graph or chart which will get automatically fit into a single cell. So here I want the sparkline. Okay, this is the sparkline for this hmm, for this data. Now let us create it for feast and mango also. Insert column sparkline. Now I have selected the whole data and the location I want here. Okay. Now it is saying that I have to select only a single row or single column. So it means I cannot select two rows together, but I can create the sparkline to compare the data for the month of April of all the ice creams. I want the result here. Okay. So this is a sparkline for the comparison of all the three ice creams of the month of April. Similarly, you can create this sparkline for this. I'm creating a line sparkline now at this location. This is line. Okay, and the next is win and lose. Win and lose also I'll show. I am putting a minus sign in front of this so that you can see what is win and lose. So I'll go to insert tab. This is win and lose. Data range I have to select. This is my data range. And the result I want here. And press OK. It means it will also show the negative values if you have. So it will show the result like this. I'm going to change it a little bit and I'm going to make it 1500 only. I need to create this sparkline again. This is a range and here I want the result. Okay, I think I should decrease it more so that you can see the effect. Okay, so this type of sparkline is just used to display that what are the positive values and what are the negative values. It do not vary in the positive values. If there are two positive values, then the both bars will look equal. So this is lose and win. But in rest, we are able to see if there is any differences in the positive lines also. So this was column, this was line, and this is also column, and this is win and lose. So this is Sparkline feature. This feature is available in all the versions of MS Excel, which is after 2010. Means you will get this feature in 2016, 2013. But if you are having MS Excel 2007, you will not get this feature. So I hope everybody is clear with the Sparkline. What is Sparkline and why we use the Sparkline feature. This is basically the miniature charts which we can draw even inside a single cell.